Let's raise that big question that our top story tonight is bringing forward. Has the criminal justice system failed Mr. Amarnath Grover and the Grover family? That's the question we are raising. Joining us now, Majid Memon, criminal lawyer of Mumbai, one of the country's foremost criminal lawyers. Also joining us, Wahab Khan. He's Emil Jerome Matthews' lawyer. Remember, Emil has been sentenced to 10 years, life imprisonment in the case. Also joining us is Suhail Seth, managing partner Counselage, who through the day has been tweeting on social media saying this is another Jessica Lal-like case. But I want to come to you, Mr. Wahab Khan, first. It seems your client has got away with what many believe is a much lighter sentence. Culpable homicide not amounting to murder. Is it a miscarriage of justice?
Many lawyers, what they are saying, it may be their personal opinion, but without going through the record, an advocate cannot form an opinion. What the court has considered was the material which was on record, and the only record which was available to see what transpired inside the house of that flat 201, that was the confession statement, which initially the prosecutor, initially means we can say till the end they were not ready to rely upon it, but since they led the evidence, the court considered it confession, and on that basis what transpired was that there was a sudden and grave provocation, and that was what the matter which was accepted by the trial court. Okay,
no, hold on. You're saying sudden and grave provocation, but all the evidence initially suggested that Maria and Jerome were seen to have hatched a conspiracy to kill Neeraj Grover. Jerome flies all the way from Cochin, kills Neeraj Grover, then disposes of his body by cutting it into pieces. Surely some planning went into this entire operation.
No. You see, on the contrary, please permit me to say that this was the pact or the conspiracy hatched by the investigative machinery to implicate these two persons, and just to sensationalize the matter. That was the reason that they passed 3 years in custody. One could not get the bail. It's not like that. It was not so sensational, something like that. No. Evidence was so weak, and the confession, since beginning it was with them, it was showing the sudden and grave provocation.
Majid Memon, the evidence was weak is what Jerome's lawyer is saying today. The prosecution seemed to rely almost entirely on Maria Susairad's confession. They simply didn't put together enough corroborative evidence to suggest it was a pre-planned murder. In the end, it seems to have been seen, therefore, by the judge as a crime of passion done in a fit of rage. To that extent, is it culpable homicide not amounting to murder?
No, Rajdeep, let me first make it very clear that Mr. Wahab had been a defense counsel, and certainly he has had the entire access to the evidence, etc. So he's better placed to put his view, although his view may be pro-accused since he has defended him. Well, that's fine. I don't have to find fault with that. Let me tell you one thing, Rajdeep. Millions of your viewers are asking a question to us since yesterday, that the learned trial court has believed that these two persons are the killers, in the sense particularly Jerome. The learned court also identifies the act committed, that there was a death caused and there was a murder, and then the dead body was cut into 300 pieces, murder most foul.